It's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today's lesson I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this fun character, an octopus. You might see a lot of fishy things about a lot of my videos, and that's due to a cartoon series that I've been working on. A children's series, actually. It's called Friend Fish. So stay tuned. You're going to see a lot more with that on TV as well as a comic book. That's right, a comic book. I have one more page to finish coloring in, and then I'll be able to put it on the market and share it with you and all the other fun things I'm working on. Anyway, so if you have your pencil and you have a paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now, that was a fun lesson, and what can we take home from this? Easy, sneezy, basically. Something that's really you're passionate about, something that you like a lot, you draw a lot more. And that's my fish. I have a ton of art on fish, underwater stuff, the little aquarium that I'm building up. I do a ton of that stuff. So I have a passion to that. So whatever you find your passion for at the cartoon, whatever it might be, a character, a person, an animal, a lizard, an insect, whatever, you can really experiment your drawing capabilities, because when you have a passion, you draw a lot more. So seek out that technique in your most favorite topic or content that you can find. Anyways, I just wanted to really share that thought for you. And thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.